Yo, alrighty, so I'm on PixArt right now and I'm on the home screen. I'm gonna just click on see all and I'm going to be making a cover art from scratch. So I'm going to be using an all black cover. We're gonna use a city scenario again, but this time it's just gonna we gonna come a little different. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all. So boom, I'm gonna click on my effects and then I'm gonna click on my blur. I'm gonna blur the city out, right? Blur the city out. You feel me? Add a sky. Add a nice little sky on there, you feel me? Put that behind that. Blur that out a little bit too, so it can match up with the other picture. Boom. All right, now I'm finna just put like, all right, now I'm finna add like the extra, now I'm finna add like the stickers. Now what I was doing there was just setting the background. Now I'm finna like basically just setting the tone. So now I'm finna just add like my stickers and stuff like that. Let's say this song was called, you feel me, Heartbreak. So, you feel me, I'm gonna put some rain, you feel me? And some of the stickers look low quality. You just gotta find the ones that's like high quality, you know? But I'm gonna use this one right here. Feel me? Heartbreak. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna put like broken heart. Yeah, you feel me? 9 times out of 10, something you are looking for will pop up. Like something like this. You feel me? It look a little low quality, so I'm gonna have to probably like get the eraser tool out and, you know, just cut out all that extra white extraness. But for now, I'm finna just fade it out like that. Finna fade that thing out. Blend it a little bit. Then add a shadow. And then now I'm finna head over to Fonto. All right, now that we over in Fonto, I'm finna just add the song name, so Heartbreak. Make that big, and I'm finna slide it over one, and then go to the curve. And just curve it over the heart a little bit. And then we can make it like blazing red. And then go to style and add a background for it. Like a darker shadow. Boom, Heartbreak, and then duplicate that, make it smaller. And then put your rap name. And then you can curve it and make it like curve the opposite way if you want to. And then, you know, voila. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Make sure y'all smash that like button and smash that subscribe button and turn on that post notifications so y'all won't miss out on no big body bangers, man. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. And comment down below some video ideas, whatever y'all wanna see. I might, you feel me, make that happen. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing, Curdy Bo out. Peace.